If you want to influence your customers to buy, do this. I discovered this strategy from a simple study about hotel towels. Ang goal ng isang towel is pakiusapan ang guest na i-reuse ang towels para makatipid sila sa laundry cost by half. Dati, ang message na nilagay nila sa rooms ay save the environment. Pero halos walang nakikinig. So, kumuha sila ng copywriter at pinalitan nilang words. Ito naman yung new sentence nila. Most of the witty travelers who stay in the room reuse their towel at least once. That's it. Just by changing the words, tumaas ng 26% ang mga tao na nag-reuse ng towel. And here's the lesson. People naturally follow what the crowd is doing. Ang tawag dito is social proof. Halimbawa, may tatlo kang packages, A, B, tsaka C. Instead na hayaan mo lang sila mamili, sabihin mo, Ma'am, you can choose between package A, B, or C. Pero most of our clients choose package B. Two things happen with this, no? Number one is, binabawasan mo ang thinking load ng client dahil ikaw ang nagsasuggest. Second is this, you're influencing them na ito yung piliin kasi maraming pumipili sa ganitong package. Remember, people tend to follow the crowd. If you want to influence them, just tell them what the majority is already doing. This is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.